There is one part of you always that is looking for an excuse not to do anything. That part in your mind that is just looking for an excuse to say, okay, like for instance, now I'm supposed to be watching a tutorial video or messaging people or trying to connect with people. But I'm like, okay, laptop is almost, my PC is almost dead and it's Christmas, let me rest. That part is dangerous. It's extremely dangerous. I want to rest. Yeah, I want to rest. I'm tired. But it's like an excuse. It's like an excuse like, okay, if you rest now, you're freaking wasting time. You're not doing. I'm tired. But there's nobody to complain to. If I say sleep, I've slept in the night. I slept at night. So now me sleeping now is me oversleeping. So it's Christmas. I'm basically taking it off because can't just stay inside. I was freaking sad. So we were just trolling. School is freaking empty. Yeah. Thank you for that. Now, because of this vlog now, I have to do something productive every day, every single day. If not, when I look back on the video and I'm like, okay, what happened on the 25th of December 2024? I didn't do jack, I didn't do anything, I was just floating. So now, because of this, every single day has to be a day I come out victorious and satisfied and like, yes, I achieved this today, I achieved this today. Because normally there are some days that pass by that we're like, that day does not exist because nobody remembers what happened that day. And it can't be like that for me again anymore. Every day has to be special, every day has to be intentional. Hence the vlog. So yeah, let the stress begin. So I'm finally back to my PC. Yeah, and I've done something. Now this is on another scale of being whack. Like it's messed up. But it's my first character animation. Just the character is just moving his hand, like, and just the scenery, the background, the tree, the reflection. You get the concept. But my first character animation is not bad. It's not horrible. But I'm saying that it's not too hard. It's learnable. I can learn it. So I'll learn character animation. I've done something today. That's the whole point. Yeah, and plus I fixed my After Effects. My After Effects had an issue. Adobe After Effects. Solution: start in safe mode. Just restart the whole After Effects. I've had this problem for like 3 months. I checked tutorial videos. Like when my controls were lagging, everything's hanging. So yeah, I checked tutorial videos and everything. Nothing helped. I just started in safe mode. Boom! It works. So now, yeah, I've done something today. I'm being productive. So I have my classmates. K-Bed, what's up? Merry Christmas, what's up? I'm alright, I'm good. This is what they called me today. What's popping? Yeah, alright. Okay, it's for Christmas, right? Merry Christmas. No, I went to one church like this at I don't even know the place. It's Winners something. But yeah, I went to church. I'm still in the hostel.
Okay, after that, what did you now do?
Hey, okay, yeah, I stayed in my room now.
You don't go anywhere?
Yeah, I'm in my room. Dude, bro, thanks for calling. Merry Christmas.
Enjoy your remaining week for you, man.
Yes, so I try read for house.
That one is just important.
Try rest. Don't try today.
Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thanks for calling. Yeah. Well, that was shocking. That was massively shocking. And one of my classmates called and just check up on me. Yeah, back to work. Okay, this is day 2 of my journey as the most popular content creator and designer / animator in the Web3 ecosystem.